Activating notifications on Public 2026 is a straightforward process that ensures you stay updated with important alerts and information. Follow these steps to enable notifications quickly. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Public 2026 app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the gear icon in the app's main interface. Step 3. Find notifications. Look for the notifications option within the settings menu. This section may be labeled as notifications, alerts, or something similar. Step 4. Enable notifications. Toggle the notifications switch to the on position. You may also have options to customize which types of notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your notification preferences, ensure you save any changes made. Look for a save or apply button before exiting the settings menu. Now you're all set to receive notifications on Public 2026. Enjoy staying informed with the latest updates.